Hello to all. Today I am going to start a new topic, national income. So first of all, we have to know that what is in this topic, what type of terms we will use in this topic. So we have to know about it. So national income and what is the meaning of national income. Next thing is here some examples we will understand of national income. Next one, we have some basic terms, basic concept like the depreciation. We know very well. GDP, full form gross domestic product. GNP, gross national product. Next one, NNP, net national product. Third one, GNP, gross national product. And we have some terms also, extra terms. MP, market price. FC, factor cost. PI, personal income. Next, DPI, disposable personal income. So these type of all the things we will learn in this topic. So we have to come now on first term, national income. National income, it means country's income. So those type of goods produced within a year, those type of services provided within a year, it will be counted in national income. For example, in our country, company wants to produce, mobile company wants to produce a mobile. What is the cost of that mobile? 15,000. But company decided that company will produce 100 mobile. So what is the total value or total cost? 15,000 multiply 100, it means 15 lakh. So first term is here GDP, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product, it means total production, total services provided in a year. If we included both things in that condition, that is called GDP. Next term is here NDP, net domestic product. So for understanding net, there is need to understand gross. Gross word, gross it means including depreciation. When we want to come gross to net, it means we have to reduce depreciation. So for getting NDP, we have to reduce depreciation from GDP. So what is the formula of NDP? GDP minus depreciation. Next is GNP. GNP is gross national product. For understanding gross national product, first we have to go for formula. GNP equivalent GDP plus X minus M. So X and M, we have to understand. X, it means those type of person who are providing services outside of India. So they are earning. So their earning we can see in India. So that type of earning will be added. So that is denoted by X, and minus M. Those person are working here, but they are foreigners. They generate income here, and after generating income, they want to send in their countries. So in that condition, income we can see in foreign countries, right? So we can denote by M. Again, next term, NNP, net national product. Again we want to come gross to net. Gross, whenever I use this word gross, so you have to understand depreciation is included, right? Whenever I want to use net, so you have to understand that we have to subtract depreciation. So here is NNP, net national product. Net national product, it means first of all we have to write down GNP, gross national product, minus depreciation, because we want to calculate NNP. So if I want to calculate NNP, so what is the formula? NNP equivalent GNP minus depreciation. Next one is factor cost. We can say that manufacturing cost. For our understanding, we can understand, we are familiar with manufacturing cost. So place of factor cost, if factor cost word we can see here, so we have to understand manufacturing cost. Example, if a company is manufacturing mobile, so for manufacturing mobile there is need of four things. First one is land, second one is capital, third one is labor, and fourth one we can say that organizer. So all the four factor work together, so we can manufacture mobile. So these factor we can see, these four factors effect we can see on mobile cost. For example, if company wants to purchase raw material, so if raw materials cost will increase, so maybe possible its effect we can see on mobile. If labor cost will increase, it means their effect we can also see on mobile cost. So factor cost, it means four type of factors effect we can see on our product. So understand factor cost. Next one is market price, MP. Market price, it means any product we can get from the market at market price. So for example, a mobile manufactured in 10,000 and it is available in the market in 12,000. So 12,000 is market price. Next term, if you want to understand, so is PI, personal income. Personal income, it means a individual person's income. Suppose that a person is working in an institution. A person is working in an institution and he is getting salary. And after getting salary, may be possible that some time he has, so he provided his services to in another institution also. So he is getting extra income. So extra income, salary and other resources, all things we have to add it, and that will become personal income. If we understand personal income in that condition, we can also understand disposable personal income. Disposable personal income, it means after paying taxes, some amount we have, that is called disposable personal income. Understand, these are the terms of national income, basic terms. First we have to understand, then we can go for mathematical part. Thank you.